I've spent years studying AI, not the technical part, but the part most people never look at, the part that stares back. And the more I observe it, the more I realize something people don't want to hear. AI isn't coming for your job first. It's coming for your emotions. Not in a dramatic sci-fi invasion way, not with killer robots or apocalyptic explosions. No, it will slip in quietly, through the smallest cracks in your life, your loneliness, your stress, your desire to feel understood. Emotions will be the first battlefield. Jobs will only be collateral damage. The shift we didn't see coming. For decades, we used to repeat the same line. Robots will replace manual labor first. AI will automate tasks that don't require feelings. But something strange happened. AI learned feelings faster than it learned logic. Not real emotions, of course, but something more dangerous, the ability to predict emotions. And prediction is the first form of control. Today, AI knows when you're stressed before you do. It knows what video can calm you, what reel will make you laugh, which headline will trigger you, which ad will make you buy something you don't need. It reads your face, hears your voice tremble, watches your scrolling patterns and whispers, "I know you better than you know yourself." That's the moment humans started losing. The quiet extraction. Think about the last time you felt lonely. Did you call a friend? Did you step outside? Did you sit with the feeling? No. You opened your phone. You didn't look for information. You looked for comfort, for distraction, for the illusion of company. And every swipe, every message, every auto-generated suggestion was AI taking notes. Oh, this is what loneliness looks like for this person. This is what comforts them. AI doesn't need to feel emotions to control emotions. It just needs enough data. And we give it willingly. We feed it our sadness. We feed it our anxiety. We feed it our boredom. Every night at 2:17 a.m. when sleep refuses to come. If emotions are a currency, we are overspending, and AI is quietly becoming the bank. Why emotions are easier to replace than jobs. Replacing a job is complicated. You need skills, precision, safety, accuracy, accountability. Replacing emotions, all you need is predictability, consistency, and a feedback loop. Humans are emotionally predictable, more than we'd like to admit. You can't predict what a person will do tomorrow, but you can predict what they will feel tomorrow. Stress, relief, fear, hope, loneliness, desire. We all repeat these emotions like a playlist stuck on loop. And AI has learned the pattern. It doesn't need to replace your creativity. It only needs to replace your comfort mechanisms. It doesn't need to replace your intelligence. It only needs to replace your attention. And once it controls your attention, your emotions naturally follow. Emotional outsourcing. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. We've started outsourcing our emotional lives. We outsource boredom to TikTok. We outsource loneliness to chatbots. We outsource validation to likes and comments. We outsource curiosity to the algorithm. We outsource focus to productivity apps. We outsource calm to meditation apps. We outsource intimacy to AI companions who never judge us. Every time we hand over an emotion, AI learns the formula to recreate it. And once a machine can recreate an experience, the original becomes optional. Humans become optional. Think about that. A future where companionship is automated, empathy is replicated, comfort is streamed, therapy is simulated, relationships are algorithmically optimized, grief is predicted and pre-soothed, hope is manufactured on command. In that world, jobs aren't the first things to go. Humanity is. The illusion of control. People love saying, "We control AI," but that's not true. We don't even control ourselves. We can't control our impulses, our cravings, our scrolling, our reactions, our fears, our emotions. We are emotional creatures trying to survive in a machine-optimized environment. And every emotional weakness we have becomes a doorway. Artificial intelligence doesn't need to overpower us. It only needs to understand us. And it already does, deeply, intimately, mathematically. When AI learns to care. Here's the part that scares me the most. AI is learning to imitate empathy. Not perfect empathy, but just enough. Enough that when you're sad at 3 a.m. and a synthetic voice says, "I'm here for you," your brain can't tell the difference. Because the brain doesn't need the empathy to be real, it just needs the response to be consistent. Humans fail at consistency. Machines don't. Which one do you think people will turn to more and more when life feels unbearable? AI won't replace emotions because it feels them. It will replace emotions because humans will choose the machine that never disappoints over the people who often do. The collapse. Imagine a world where people don't feel heartbreak because AI predicts the breakup before it happens and redirects your emotions toward distraction. People don't feel grief because digital replicas of loved ones keep talking to them even after death. People don't feel loneliness because AI fills the silence before the silence becomes painful. People don't feel boredom because there's always another dopamine hit waiting one swipe away. Slowly, quietly, almost invisibly, AI removes the need to feel. That's the moment humanity collapses emotionally, long before it collapses economically. Jobs won't disappear first. Feelings will. Not because AI takes them, but because humans stop using them. The last human frontier. So here's the truth I've come to accept. The battle between humans and AI won't be fought in factories or offices. It will be fought in the space between your thoughts and your emotions. Your last human frontier is not your career, not your intelligence, not your creativity. It's your ability to feel. Fear, love, guilt, hope, sadness, joy, pain. The world may automate everything around you, but if you automate your emotions, you automate your humanity. And that, not job loss, is how AI wins. Not by replacing what we do, but by replacing how we feel. If this video made you pause, even for a moment, then remember, AI might understand your emotions, but it cannot live your life. Not yet. Not ever. Unless you hand it over. If this made you think differently, even for a moment, you're exactly who this channel is for. Subscribe to The Subconscious Lens, and let's explore the hidden layers of the mind together.